Dear friends, we are going to talk about .gitignore file today. I have a Git repository here which has only one Python file. When I run git status, I get a prompt saying that .idea is untracked. Now .idea is a folder that my Python pycharm code editor has created. I don't have any intention of checking it into upstream GitHub repository. Hence I want to ignore it, but every time when I run git status, it just shows me this file, which is kind of annoying. I'm going to ignore this directory using .gitignore file. Let's first create .gitignore file. You can say touch.gitignore, or you can directly create .ignore file by Windows Explorer option. I created .gitignore file, and in this file I'm going to put .idea directory. Once I do that and save it, again run git status. Notice that previously it was showing .idea as untracked directory. Now here it is not showing .idea, it's showing .ignore file, of course, because we added that file as a new file. I'm going to add that into my repository because I want to check it in. Okay, sometimes you have a specific file that you want to ignore. For example, I have a test.py file which I did it for some local testing. Again, I don't want to check it into my GitHub repository. It will still show up here, so I'm going to add that particular file here, and once I do that, it will no longer show in this list of untracked files. Let's run this command. See, it went away. You can also have multiple files with the same extension that you want to ignore. For example, I have, let's say, a.exe, and I have b.exe. When you run git status, again those two show up. You want to ignore both of them, you just add a wildcard saying star.exe. Once you do that, run git status and they go away. Alright, your gitignore file can look pretty extensive. It can have all these files. I picked up this example from Google, and you can see here there are so many files listed. It's a sample .gitignore file. You can also add a command using a hash sign. Okay, so that was a short tutorial on .gitignore file. I hope you guys are having fun learning Git with my tutorials. I will see you in a next tutorial. Bye.